Hi YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing another hot sauce review, and I'm back. It's summertime, and things seem to be getting better in the world, so we are about to hit another video. Today we are doing another Hot Ones hot sauce. You guys have all heard of the Last Dab. Well, this is the Last Dab Apollo. I don't know how hot it's gonna be, but listen, I'm not gonna get got like I got before, so we're gonna take it slow. I have my favorite chicken in the world, Bonchon chicken, and we're gonna see what it's like. I don't expect it to be that hot, only because Last Dab, I told you, it's a lot of hype, I think. It's not really that hot. It's kind of the sauce that on the Hot Ones they do at the end, which is supposed to be the hottest, but after people have eaten all that hot sauce, of course this is gonna seem hot, but the Last Dabs that I've tried before are not really that hot, and the Apollo I think is gonna fall probably in the same kind of category. So this one is made with Apollo peppers. You can look that up, and on the Scoville scale, I think it's supposed to be considered one of the kind of the hot peppers, but it says Apollo peppers, cayenne pepper vinegar, Apollo pepper powder, and Apollo pepper paste. So we'll see how it tastes. It says the Last Dab Apollo is the world's only hot sauce made with the Apollo peppers, the newest hot sauce pepper from the Guinness World Record holding chili breeder Smokin Currie. The Apollo pepper channel, the Apollo peppers channel the sun's energy to bring new levels of flavor and heat to the world of super hots. Live the Hot Ones tradition. And again, like I said, you can order this from the Hot Ones, or Heatness as the website is called. But we're gonna try this out. Open it up, see what it smells like. So it smells like some of their traditional pepper sauces. It has a kind of a sweetness to the smell, which is like a habanero type smell to me. I'll taste a little bit of it, see if it tastes hot. I mean, it has a little heat in the back of my throat. So we're gonna try this out. I am trying it with chicken that's already hot. It's hot chicken. And so we're gonna try this out and see what it tastes like. We're gonna start out slow just because, like I said, I'm not trying to ruin my day. And that's what these kind of peppers can do. They can end up ruining your day. But I'm gonna move this just so you can see how much I'm putting on here. It's not that much sauce, but we're gonna try it out. We're gonna put it on the chicken, and then we're gonna go at it. So like I said, the sauce has a habanero note to it. It's definitely not a super hot sauce. It is a tasty sauce, but it's not super hot. I mean, if you're used to eating hot sauces, this is not gonna like throw you off. As you can see, I'm eating it. There's nothing, that bite got me, but there's nothing too surprising about it. But let's do a scale for you. So in terms of hot sauces, I would say this one falls in the category of about, on my scale, probably a 6. My tongue is hot. My nose is not watering, but I think that one of my eyes is beginning to water. It's a hot just on the tongue, like the roof of my mouth is not hot. My lips aren't hot. And so, you know, I would say overall 6 in terms of heat, maybe a 7. Maybe I'll even go with a 7. In terms of taste, it's about an 8. The taste is actually quite tasty. I would eat this with normal meals, because of the heat on my tongue, I'm finding my mouth is watering. So that is, I guess maybe that's the trick of the Apollo pepper. Because like I said, the inside of my mouth is not hot, but my tongue is hot and it's causing my mouth to water. But it is a good sauce. I would say definitely try it, but don't be, I would say not to expect to be like overwhelmed and saying, oh wow, this is the hottest sauce I've ever had. Definitely not. It's not hot going down, which tells me it's not like super, super hot, but it is good. So I would say definitely try it. Again, Apollo sauce by the Hot Ones. We'll put it here so you can see it. Last Dab Apollo. It's good. Not super hot, but what I expect from the Hot Ones. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for checking my channel. Please come back for more hot sauce reviews. We're going to try to rush through a whole bunch of hot sauce reviews this summer. And, you know, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment below. Let me know if you tried this sauce before. And, you know, like I said, subscribe and like below. I'm out.
Subscribe, but like below.